abot mo nga yung ano, yung beans. Okay, thank you.
Bakit sobrang dark?
Eh, kasi ano yan. So, this is the black beans, fermented black beans. So, as you can see, I put it in, just a little bit. And, let me add some water. Put it back, please. Thank you. Okay. Oh, hi. My name is Reg Reyes. I'm from the Philippines. And we speak Tagalog here. Yes. Okay. And it's hot. It's hot here.